This week's top stories. British Cleaning Council reveals cleaning industry valued at a record-breaking £66.9 billion. The value of the cleaning, hygiene and waste industry has jumped by more than 10% in the last year. The industry directly employs over 1,008,700 staff, a 0.44% increase from the previous year. IPSA appoints a security guard who intervened in Leicester Square knife attack. A security officer who disarmed the suspect in the stabbing of an 11-year-old child in Leicester Square has been appointed as frontline ambassador of the International Professional Security Association. Abdullah said, "I have always believed that our role goes beyond just reacting to threats. It is about prevention, awareness, and constant readiness to protect those around us." Linaker wins Army-based contract with Babcock International Group. M&E services provider Linaker has been awarded an 8-figure contract to provide hard services maintenance at 26 Army bases in the UK. The new framework will see Linaker working across Babcock's UK-wide Defence Support Group portfolio.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.